Drought screening in rice. Wax petrolatum layer method. Drought tolerance of a rice variety can be screened using wax petrolatum layer method. It's a simple and less expensive procedure. The root penetration ability of the plant across the wax layer is tested to prove it's a drought tolerant variety. The materials required for the screening are paraffin wax, white petroleum jelly, beaker, plastic case, wire mesh and aluminum foil. Bottom of the plastic case is removed carefully and covered with wire mesh. The wire mesh facilitates the growth of the root, and then the plastic case is wrapped with aluminum foil. It avoids the leak of melted wax that will be poured in to make a wax layer. Paraffin wax and petroleum jelly are taken in 2:1 ratio to prepare wax layer solution. Here for our experiment we took 20 grams of white petroleum jelly and 40 grams of paraffin wax. The final volume was made up to 200 ml. To the sterile water, the measured white petroleum jelly and paraffin wax are added. A slight mixing is a necessary step as it retards clotting of constituents. The mixture is melted at high temperature for about 3 to 5 minutes. The melting time can be varied depending upon needed final volume of wax solution. The melted wax solution is then poured in the modified case to form 0.3 to 0.5 cm thick layer of wax. The entire setup is kept for cooling at room temperature for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then the aluminum foil is stripped off. Plastic case is separated. Here we should ensure that there is no strike or hole in the wax layer. Tape is affixed for support. Two-thirds of the case is filled with fertile soil and then seedling is done. At appropriate growth conditions, the plant is grown. Frequent monitoring should be done to ensure plant's growth. Phenotypical difference also can be observed between drought tolerant and susceptible variety. After 20 to 24 days, the roots of the plant will start penetrating the wax layer. It's a clear sign proposing the root's ability to draw water from deep texture of soil. Drought susceptible variety will lack such character. Thus, we can screen the drought resistance.